G'day guys, Greg here. Now you might remember recently I went to McDonald's and tried some of their McChicken nuggets. Well, I've got some McNuggets with some McSauces left over there, so I thought I'd whip up a McChicken, McNugget, McToasted, McSandwich. Let me show you the other ingredients I'm using today. Well, I got my leftover McChicken McNuggets here with some McSauces. I've also got some McPickles, a McOnion. I've got some McSesame seeds here, some McBread, I've got some McCheese, and of course you're going to need some McButter. Ooh, I love this stuff. And after that explanation, I'm kind of expecting a McLawsuit from McDonald's, McLawyers. Anyway, let's start McCooking. Alright, well these McNuggets have been in the fridge, so they're a little bit McCold. So before I toast them, I want to warm them up. I probably need 6. Maybe ones that aren't half eaten. Oh, and I've got a spicy one in there too. So now what I want to do is heat those nuggets up. I'll heat them up for 3 or 4 minutes so they're nice and warm. Or maybe stick them in a frying pan, heat them up, or microwave them. And while they're heating up, I'll put some butter on the outside of my bread. I'm going to be pan frying these toasted sandwiches today. I like to try and get the butter as close to the edges as I can. And to give it a little bit more authenticity, I'm going to sprinkle some of these sesame seeds on a plate. And then with the butter side down, I'll push that in and coat the bread with these sesame seeds. Now I will need a couple of slices of cheese for this, so I'll just cut those, and I'll also need a few slices, or even just one slice of onion. Remove that out a bit, and you can leave like that, but I might just finely dice it, make it more McDonald's style. So now it's time to start throwing this together. And with the sesame seeds on there, it shouldn't stick to the board there. Now I do have quite a few sauces here, and well, on one side I'll put the aioli, because it actually came with an aioli sauce, and this isn't too bad, this one. So I'll put that on there, and I'll put that on with the mustard on the other side of the other piece of bread. Now when I'm making a toasted sandwich, I always like to put the cheese on the outside so it melts. And now these McNuggets are heated up. I'll just lie them in order on there. And when that cheese melts, that'll help hold those nuggets in as well. Now I've got the Big Mac sauce here. So I'll put that on top of these nuggets. That'll give it a nice Big Mac flavour. Now one of the other sauces I did get was this sriracha sauce, the hot and fiery spicy one. I'm not adding that one on today. I think I can do without some spice. And then on top of here, I'm going to add some pickles. I'll sprinkle the onion. And I can put the other slice of bread on top. Now I have been heating up this frying pan. Let's see if it's warm enough. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, that's warm enough. And it is non-stick, so what you want to do is add some extra non-stickiness. And into there, we'll put this sanger, which I've got set to a fire which is a medium heat, so it doesn't burn. And we'll just slow cook that for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until the cheese is melted and it's golden brown. Alright, well that's been a few minutes. So let's give it a flip. Oh yeah. And make sure you slide it around a little bit so it doesn't stick. And give it a good push down as well. And a bit more of a slide. Alright, well, just have a quick peek. Oh yeah, that's looking good. So, whip it off. And let's cut it in half. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. How good is that looking? Those sesame seeds look delicious. It's kind of like a chicken Big Mac. 6 all chicken nuggets, special sauce, no lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bread. Come at me, bro. Whoa. Oh, wow. I'm McLovin' it! I'm really liking those sesame seeds on the outside. It adds an air of originality. And the pickles in there match so well with everything else, and all the cheese and the sauces go together. Yum-o! Well, I hope this video gives you some ideas for your next excursion in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something up. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's